This week here at Car Care Kiosk, we've been working on a Toyota Corolla Cross, and we thought we'd give you a quick preview of a few of the repairs from that vehicle. First up, let's find the VIN number for this car.
Adam here from Car Care Kiosk. We had the opportunity to work on this Toyota Corolla Cross. It's a 2022. And I just wanted to take a little second here to point out the VIN number location. We have one VIN number location right here up near the driver's side. You can see it through the windshield here. And then we have another VIN sticker, which is located, if you open the driver's side door, it's going to be located just inside the driver's side door. These two VIN numbers should match up, and this will let you know what the VIN number is.
Next, we're going to show you how to reset the oil life monitor.
So we're going to look kind of over in this section over here in our dash, and we use on the steering wheel, we want to page over to this little settings button. Then we page down, keep going down, and there'll be a vehicle settings. Push OK. You need to push and hold the OK button to get into that vehicle settings menu. Then we will go down here to the scheduled maintenance. Push in, and then it will ask you if you want to reset the data, and just go to yes, push and hold the OK button, and it will reset your maintenance and your oil life.
Let's show you how to change the brake light next. Open the hatch and remove the two 10mm bolts that secure the housing. Pull the bulb housing away from the vehicle. Reach in behind the housing. Disconnect the connectors and wiring. Pry up the wiring. Turn the bulb assembly counterclockwise and remove it. Push in on the tab and pull the connector out. Now you can replace the housing to change your light. And finally, here's how to locate your oil drain plug and oil filter for an oil change. Reach under the vehicle. Remove four 10mm bolts from this cover. Pull the cover down. Reach up here for the oil drain plug. Use a 14mm socket on this plug. Reach up here for your oil filter. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. And if you want more car repair videos and more in-depth car repair videos, please visit CarCareKiosk.com.